What is up, guys? Thought we'd take a little break. Oh, let me get around this bad boy. I thought we'd take a little break from all this Mustang content and show you guys. I just bought this pit bike. It is a 2017 Yamaha TTR 110. I was reading it. I've been looking for a long time, like watching like C-Boys and stuff on YouTube, and all the YouTubers nowadays, they all got pit bikes and they're just having the time of their lives. And so I've been looking on Facebook Marketplace for a couple of months now, and then I just saw this one pop up one morning, and I was like, you know what, let's just go do it. And I did it, and I was riding it a little bit earlier today. This thing is so much fun. Like, it's already paid for itself in the amount of fun I've had. So yeah, it's super clean. Apparently it's got really low hours on it. They got it all spit and shined up for me. Came with a full tank of gas. It's a 3-speed, and it's actually pretty crazy how fast it is. I was ripping it around the neighborhood, and it's really fast, like jumping curbs and stuff. And it pops a wheelie like super easy, and that's pretty interesting given that there's no clutch, which I thought was pretty wild. But like following all the Facebook pages where people like build them and stuff, like I guess a lot of them don't have clutches, but and I thought that would be a problem. Like I thought it would like kind of like launch weird or something, but it doesn't. It's super sweet. And so yeah, I think I'm gonna throw the helmet on, throw you guys on the helmet, take you guys for a little rip. And yeah, hope you guys are looking forward to some pit bike action, some content. And this summer is going to be a blast with a little pit bike. Trying to talk everybody else into doing it, so we can have multiple pit bikes. And another thing I wanted to say is we're gonna get to CJ's house one of these weekends and show you guys his new Bronco project, his new pre-runner Bronco project. So yeah, we'll get over there soon. That way we can kind of mix up, you know, you guys don't have to always watch the Mustang stuff. We'll get some Mustang stuff, pit bike stuff, CJ's Bronco stuff, and then today I started the side-by-side too. So today is actually pretty warm out, but it's gonna get cold again. But it's almost summertime. We'll be getting the side-by-side out. This should be getting wrapped up here in a couple months, or a month. Probably a couple months. Definitely a couple months. And so yeah, let's go check out this pit bike. Alright guys, it is kickstart, and it also is, it's got this sweet kickstand. Flip this bad boy. How does this work? Oh, just like that, like a key. Okay. On. And it's also electric start. Look at that, starts right up. It's pretty quiet, but once you get ripping on it, it opens up a little bit. Oh yeah, we'll warm up a little bit. Oh yeah. So there's the Mustang. Yeah. Guys, it is 100%. It's a 4-speed. I think. I'm pretty sure. I don't know. I've only rode it for like 5 minutes. Oh, it's still a little cold. Alright, let's try a second, see what happens. Oh my god, dude, it's so much fun. I'm gonna be embarrassed about my laughter, but this is just so much fun. Everybody's got to get one of these. Ooh, it's just so like nimble and everything. want to get it on CJ's track. Oh yeah, we're gonna get her, boys. I hope nobody calls the cops on me. This is just too much fun. I haven't been on a dirt bike since I was like 15. So a year, many moons ago. I get scared, I kick my leg out. I'm getting a little bit more comfortable here. It's so easy to pop up because it's so light. Yeah. If it was dry, I'd be out there ripping her. Alright guys, I'll show you a little. Oh, here's first gear. We do like a, yeah, check out this no clutch. It's pretty torquey. Alright, we'll get a top speed run here. Second gear. Alright. Yeah, this thing's freaking ripping, man. Oh, Olivia probably won't want me doing that next to her car. But I feel like I really want to do those, like, you know how they like put one leg down and they yeah. Woo! Alright guys, so I think that is gonna be it on the pit bike little video, just a little introduction video. I wish I would have really gotten the last wheelie I did on video. I was just heading back from my top secret location and I was like, you know, just like that. And yeah, it was pretty cool. But yeah, I think we're gonna get an oil change on this bad boy tomorrow. I was just checking the oil. Looks a little dirty. Maybe not. It looked alright, but I'm just gonna do it just for my own peace of mind, you know, get some fresh AMS oil on that bad boy. And yeah, until then, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment for more pit bike action, Mustang action, and side-by-side coming up here soon once the weather gets nice. And yeah, follow us on Instagram, and I'll see you guys later.